The greatness of hard work. Amid lush green fields, peaceful hills, and winding streams, there stood a small, quiet village. The people were simple, sincere, but afraid of hard work. Most of them relied on fate and would say, "Whatever is written, that is what we will get." But among them lived a young villager, Kamal. A gentle smile on his face and a strong determination in his heart. There was a sick father, an elderly mother, and a home struggling to survive. Kamal loved animals. He dreamt of having his own big cattle shed one day, dozens of cows, and a respected place among the village farmers. But in reality, he owned only one sick goat, the last memory of his father's youth. Villagers laugh and tease him. "Kamal, what kingdom will you build with one goat?" On the other side of the village, the chief, the Sardar, owned a massive cattle farm, dozens of cows, buffaloes and calves. But he needed someone honest, hardworking, someone who would care for the animals like his own. One day, Kamal gathered courage. He went to the Sardar's house and said softly, "Malik Sahab, I need work." The Sardar looked at his worn clothes, his tired face, and the honesty shining in his eyes. He said, "Kamal, this job is not easy. You'll have to come before dawn and stay late into the night. Can you do that?" Kamal replied firmly, "I can, Sardarji. I surely can." The Sardar smiled. "Good. From today, my cattle shed is your responsibility." Kamal rushed home to tell his mother. A new hope glowed in her eyes. But Kamal still worried. "Amma, the goat is sick. We barely have space at home. She is weak, lonely." His mother simply said, "Son, Allah always opens a way." The next day, Kamal began his work. He bathed the animals, fed them, cleaned the shed, filled water, and stayed beside them late into the night. The chief watched him daily. Kamal never complained, never slowed down. He worked as if every animal belonged to him. The chief grew more and more impressed. One evening, he asked, "Kamal, how are things at home?" Kamal lowered his head. "Sardarji, I only have one sick goat. She gives no milk, cannot be sold, and the house doesn't run." The chief fell silent, then smiled warmly. "Kamal, you've cared for my animals with such love. Bring your goat here tomorrow. She'll get food, shade, medicine, everything she needs." Kamal's eyes filled with tears. "Sardarji, you've lifted half my burden." The next day, the goat arrived. She got shade, food, and the village doctor gave her medicine. 2 weeks later, she stood on her feet. Within a month, she began giving milk again. Slowly, things at home started improving. The chief saw Kamal every day and would smile. A hard-working man's destiny always rises with him. But one night, a fierce storm struck the village. Thunder, lightning, violent winds. People hid inside their homes in fear. Kamal had just lain down to rest when a sudden thought struck him. The animals, they are alone. He ran out into the storm, slipping through mud, struggling against the wind, until he reached the shed. The gate was broken. Animals were terrified, running in panic. Without thinking of himself, Kamal began guiding them. He tied the buffaloes, calmed the cows, moved the calves to safety. The wind threw him down again and again, but he stood up every time. By sunrise, not a single animal was harmed. When the chief arrived, he was shocked to see everything safe. He hugged Kamal and said, "Kamal, you've proven that hard work and responsibility turn an ordinary man into a king. This shed is not just mine anymore, it is yours too." The chief announced, "Kamal is a partner caretaker of my shed from now. He would receive 2 more goats as a reward, and along with salary, he would receive a share of the profit." Kamal's eyes filled with gratitude. "Sardarji, I am truly thankful." The chief said, You rose because you worked hard, and in hard work, there is greatness. Years passed. Kamal now had his own land, his own cattle shed, his own cows. He treated his father, rebuilt his home, and became an example for the village children. His beloved goat, the one who stood by him even in sickness, still lived with him. And Kamal continued to work hard every day because he knew Allah loves those who work hard, and He never leaves them alone. There is greatness in hard work.